This is a species called Allamanda cathartica, and it is widely grown in all kind of Indian gardens. Though often people don't know where it has come from, what is its name, nothing. It has pretty flowers, so let's buy and grow. Now, this plant is mentioned in the invasive species compendium. That is, there's a global inventory list of plants that are invasive, and then in that list it's made by United States Department of Agriculture, and they have started cataloging these invasive species. This one has made it to that list, so it's a declared invasive species, and then it is a threat to livelihoods and environment worldwide. That is, such plants that are threatening livelihoods and environments worldwide are getting listed in that particular list, compendium of invasive species. And this species is originally from northern part of South America, that is Brazil, Suriname, French Guiana, and then that Venezuela and all. From there it has been taken around for gardening purposes, and it has so far gone invasive in about some 20 or 30 tropical countries, wherever the climate is similar to that Brazil, its original place. If it gets into a similar location like that, for example, in India, west coast of India, that is Western Ghats region, is similar to that Brazilian tropical evergreen region, and this one has started invading, escaping from gardens and going around. It spreads easily by these cuttings and seeds and all. So once it escapes, it will compete and outcompete the native plants, and then it becomes a threat to the local native plant communities as it replaces them, other native plants, and then it ruins the biodiversity. So now I started documenting those species to create awareness, and this Allamanda is one more plant. If you have it in your garden and you are against, if you are nature lover, eco-friendly and so on and so forth, you can't keep that. You have to get rid of it and find some native flowering plant which grows in your region and go for it. So that's a little bit about this Allamanda.